Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are here and hearty. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English second paper class for the students of class 6 on the topic tense. I'm repeating, today our topic is tense and this is our revision word. And this is lecture number 21 and there is no homework for today's class. So students, for today's class, please take your notebook and writing elements. We are going to practice your previous lesson about tense. So let's start. Today's topic is tense and it is RW or revision word. Students, here I have written 6 sentences and you have to change them according to the mentioned tense. First one is, I am going to buy some sweets. So this sentence is given in present continuous tense. We can say am going. This is the indication of present continuous tense and we have to change it to past perfect tense. We know the structure of past perfect tense. The structure of past perfect tense is subject plus had plus past participle form of verb, then object plus extra. So if we write this sentence into past tense, it will be like this. I had gone to buy some sweets. I'm repeating, the sentence will be I had gone to buy some sweets. Now come to question number 2. She will write a letter. So look, here we find will. So it means after will we find base form of the verb. So it means this sentence is given in future indefinite or simple future tense. But we have to change this sentence to present simple tense. Students, do you know the structure of simple present tense? Yes, I hope you can remember the structure. First we have to use subject, then verb, then object. But we have to keep in mind that if the subject is third person singular number, we have to add s or es with the verb. And if the subject is plural, so we don't have to add anything with the verb while it is the time of simple present tense. So our sentence is she will write a letter. If we change it, we will find she writes a letter. Look, here she is third person singular number and as we have to change it to simple present tense, we have to add is with the verb. Write will be writes. She writes a letter. Now number 3, you made a phone call. Made. The verb is in past tense. So the sentence is in past indefinite tense. There is no auxiliary verb before the word made. You made a phone call. This is past indefinite tense when we have to change it to future simple tense. And we know the structure of future simple tense. First we have to use subject, then we have to use shall, will. After shall, will, we must have to use the base form of principal verb and then object or an extra. So if we change the sentence you made a phone call to future simple tense, we have to write you will make a phone call. I'm repeating, you have to write you will make a phone call. Now number 3, we have done number 3, now I will do number 4. Nila was waiting for you. Was waiting. So that is the indication of past continuous tense. We know after was or are, if we add ing with the verb, it is called past continuous tense. So we have to change this sentence to past perfect continuous tense. We know the structure of past perfect continuous tense. First we have to use subject, then we have to use have or has, then been, then ing with. We have to use ing with principal verb, then object and then extra. So our sentence is Neela was waiting for you. So we can say like this, Neela has been waiting for you. Here Neela is third person singular number, that's why we can't write have been waiting for you. Instead of this we have to choose has. Neela has been waiting for you. This is the structure of past present perfect continuous tense. So students, look here, we are saying past perfect continuous tense. So past perfect continuous tense, the structure of past perfect continuous tense is had, and for present perfect continuous tense we can use has or have. So we have to write here had been. Nila had been. Look here, we are saying past perfect continuous tense. Past, had is the indication of past. So we have to say Nila had been waiting for you. Number 5, we return home together. We return home together. This is simple present tense and we have to change it to present continuous tense. We have to change it to present continuous tense. So look here, in first number, I am going to buy some sweets. Here we can see am going. This is the indication of present continuous tense. So maintaining this rule, we have to change this sentence into present continuous tense. So for this sentence, we can say we are returning home together. The structure of present continuous tense is subject plus am is are, then ing with the verb, then object plus extra. Here subject is we, so we have to use are. With we have to use plural form. We are returning home together. And last number, they have visited the place. They have visited the place. Here you can see have visited. Have visited indicates present perfect tense. Have visited indicates present perfect tense and you have to change it to future perfect tense. So it's very simple. You have to add will, shall, will. You have to add shall, will, and you will use have and past participle form of the verb. So it will be they will have visited the place. So here you can see I have written they will have visited the place, as we have to change it to future perfect tense. So students, I hope you can understand today's topic and I hope you will give revision about all rules of tense. You know there are 3 kinds of tense: present tense, past tense and future tense, and all tense carries 4 kinds: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous tense, like this for past and future tense. So you will read the rules at home and will practice more and more. See you again in our next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.